So hi guys, so I want to share a little tutorial on how you can use GIF stickers as backgrounds on your Insta stories. And we are doing it together. We're going to do it together, and I'll insert a screen recording of the procedure so that you can have a point of reference as you view along. So the first thing that you might want to do is you may want to go to your stories and search for a GIF that you might want to use for your background. So I'm already on my stories, and then just search on the search bar. You can search backgrounds, and then you may want to select the background that you like or that you prefer, depending on what you want to do with it. And then once you've selected the background, you'll notice, try to insert a text or a title. You'll notice that it is impossible to put a text or a title over it when the GIF is live. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna save the GIF. First, before you save, be sure to place the GIF wherever, at the exact point where you want to use it from. So place it exactly where you'd want to have your title, or wherever you feel is gonna be okay for whatever you want to do. And then you're gonna go ahead and save the GIF. Once you have saved it, you're gonna go back to our stories and re-upload the GIF that we had already saved. And now you will notice that you can put a title over it. How simple is that? Yeah, so guys, that's it for the day. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And you can further support this channel by sharing this video with your friends. And if you also don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me. My Instagram handle is @itsrachelnelima, and see you again guys next time.